So our next step is just to make sure that you have your GCA photo on your Canvas homepage for your course. The photo drive is linked in the directions, so all you have to do is click on that, find your photo in the drive, and upload it to your Canvas page. We need to make sure that these are the GCA photos that were taken by our GCA photographer. So if you don't have one in the drive, if you'll just please put up a generic photo coming soon, and then we'll get you set up at our next PD. So to update that photo, if you need to, Ms. Julie and Miss Sherry have their photos here already on their homepage. They are co-teachers, so if you are a co-teacher, make sure you put both yours and your co-teacher's information on your homepage. You're just going to go to Edit, and this is where you're just going to put in your photo. So you'll upload your photo right here to Images, and you're going to upload your image, and you will add your course image or your picture, your GCA picture there, and it will come up on your homepage. So it's super easy to do. Just make sure that you have used that GCA photo just like Ms. Hoffman and Ms. Ross have done.